What's up, everybody? Doing a little garage update. Got my 400EX back. Put brand new top end in it. New Pro X piston. Got new chain and sprockets as well. I went 14 up front instead of the stock 15. Got my other rims on it. Got the wood burner going. As you can see, there's a lot of snow outside. Todd and Eric are out riding their snowmobiles right now, but here's a little garage update. Got the 300EX, 400EX wannabe. Todd's 440, Mike's 300, Ed's 125, my 400, which I thought was a 400EX, but when my guy tapped into the motor, it said it's never been opened since '99, so definitely is not a 400EX. Pretty soon there'll be two snowmobiles in here. Oh yeah, then we got the snapper. I'm going to be taking this here out in a little while. As soon as them guys get back, we might go out ride some trails. See if we can't get the four-wheeler stuck. Alright. I can hear them coming. Expect they're back now. Alright, you guys have a good day.